in the hand of the man from Galilee. Every time I look into the holy book, I wanna tremble. When I read about the part where a carpenter clears a temple, all the buyers and the sellers were no different fellas to what I profess to be, and it causes me shame to know I'm not the man I should be. Put your hand in the hand of the man who still the water. Put your hand in the hand of the man who calms the sea. Take a look at yourself, and you can look at others differently. So put your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Mama told me how to pray before I reached the age of 7. And when I'm down on my knees, that's when I'm close to heaven. Daddy left his love for 2 kids and a wife. You know what you must do, but he showed me enough of what it takes to get you through. So put your hand in the hand of the man who still the water. Put your hand